BioVitrum has been operating in the market of medical and laboratory equipment and consumable materials since 2001. Our clients include hundreds of Russian and foreign clinics. BioVitrum specializes in manufacture of products for histological and microbiological laboratories. The company's production facilities are located in St. Petersburg. All organizational processes comply with the international standards. We use products by the American company Sigma Aldrich and the German company Merck as raw materials for our reagents. BioVitrum products include a wide range of consumables for all stages of the histological process. Tissue marking dyes, used for marking of the resection ages, is available in several colors. Cassettes for pathology laboratories, made of high-quality plastic. They are the gold standard for laboratory sample preparation and archiving of blocks in pathology departments worldwide. Reagents for fixation, adapted to the peculiarities of different types of tissues. Reagents for tissue processing can be used as a substitute of ethanol and xylene, provide high-quality histology slides. Pure paraffin with synthetic plastifying additive guarantee quality tissue processing, embedding and microtomy. Routine stains, presented in a wide range, provide high-quality visualization of cells and tissue structures. Dyes and kits for special stains come with detailed instructions and step-by-step protocols. Mounting media, dry quickly without bubbles, have excellent optical properties and perfect for long-term archiving. The multi-stage wax cleaning system is applied in production. All production processes at the enterprise are isolated. The elaborated ventilation and air filtration system allows to avoid ingress of foreign particles in the end product. We carry out strict quality control of reagents. All samples are tested in laboratory conditions. Our specialists develop and reconcile step-by-step staining protocols and process formulations for all reagents. Such an approach guarantees the high quality of the end product. All consumable materials by BioVitrum are recommended by the Russian Society of Pathologists. When forming the range, we adhere to the complex approach. This allows us to fully provide the histological laboratories with all necessary reagents. Stratov Industrial Company is a part of BioVitrum group of companies. It is majoring in production of a wide range of ready-to-use nutrient media in petri dishes for extraction and identification of microorganisms. The British company Oxoid, the world leader in production of reagents for microbiology, acted as a technological partner in establishment of the enterprise in Russia. In the manufacture of products, Stratov uses raw materials from Great Britain. Today, 18 types of microbiological media are presented in the company's range. Among them are unique agars with horse and sheep blood for fastidious microorganisms, selective and differential diagnostic agars, antimicrobial susceptibility testing agars, chromogenic media, agars for anaerobic microorganisms. Stratov production is equipped with modern measuring, dosing and sterilizing equipment. Homogenization of media and sterilization take place in aseptic conditions, which eliminates the possibility of contamination. Temperature and humidity in the rooms are controlled in accordance with world standards. Each batch of finished products undergoes strict quality control using a wide range of reference strains of the American type culture collection. Petri dishes are packed in a 3-layer cellulose film. It provides maximum tightness and sterility. Guaranteed shelf life of Stratov products is 45 days. The whole range of BioVitrum had the registration certificates of the Federal Service for Supervision in the Sphere of Healthcare. This simplifies receipt of authorization documents abroad significantly. The European quality certificates are obtained for a number of products. Customer focus is one of the basic principles of BioVitrum. We adapt processing, pouring and staining protocols to the specific laboratory conditions. This increases the accuracy of research results and reduces the consumptions of reagents. All products are accompanied by step-by-step instructions. They will be clear even to those laboratory assistants who have never worked with similar reagents. The products are delivered to all countries of the world, quickly and with observation of the temperature conditions. Specialists of BioVitrum support service are always ready to answer customers' questions by phone or email. Employees of our company are experts in their field. We conduct training seminars and schools where we acquaint doctors and laboratory assistants with modern technologies in the field of laboratory diagnostics. Introduction of new technologies, improvement of the quality of products and the level of medical services, that's our main task. BioVitrum products have been demonstrated at international exhibitions in Germany, the United Arab Emirates, Singapore and other countries many times. For several years, our consumable materials have been conquering the foreign market successfully. We are always open for mutually beneficial cooperation with new partners.